Welcome back. Today we are going to be looking at Joker VM. Let's see about this guy. Medium, I believe Linux box, I believe. Run out of Windows machines. Or they're broken. Or I suck. Windows 3. Alright, so let's go ahead and make a directory for this guy, right? I'll make directory desktop try hack me Joker. Go and CD in there. And let's go ahead and start this guy up. Start off with nmap scan. Copy the IP address real quick. I think I copied them. Start off with nmap scan. I don't know why I just did that. TAC P TAC. Boom boom. TAC VV. TAC T4. One above the default time at 3. No DNS lookup and do not ping. Looks like we got port 22 and port 80 up and running. Let's go ahead and check out that port 80 and also port 8080. I'm going to say not 22 but 8080. Also 22's up, but alright, there's that. Let's go ahead and check out that port 8080 also. Nmap, TAC P TAC, TAC SC, or TAC P 8080. Boom, we'll do it for that IP address like right there. And let's go ahead and also throw a nicto scan this guy for at least port 80 for now. Let's go ahead and nmap him also. Port 80 will also nmap port 8080. Alright, port 8080 looks like we have an unauthorized, looks like looks like a login page on 8080. See what we got here. Yep, 100% we got a login page, admin. Nope, I tried my best. Admin password. You know, I tried my best and we are unauthorized to be there. So, we got a nice little login page like right there. Let's go ahead and run GoBuster scan on port 8080, see if we can actually do it. Or if it's just going to tell us that we need to log in or whatever else. 8080. And then port 80 just looks like, yeah. Pretty much saying, no, you can't do that. Alright. That's okay. Let's go ahead and check out port 80. And we get Joker, okay. Had a couple things pop up before Joker. Jesus, okay. Usually Joker better on you, brute, but you give something you don't understand. Leave, very neat. The ugly head of yours does have a brain. I'm not mad at all. I'm just differently sane, more powerful than locomotive, and just about as subtle. One by one, they'll hear my call. Then this wicked town will follow my fall. It's clear choice, me or petit. I don't know, vote or die, cancer or tuberculosis. If I weren't crazy, I'd be insane. Jesus. Every clown loves kids, Captain. Okay, this is just a lot. Jesus. I'm supposed to read this whole thing? Alright, a lot of stuff on here. So I'm just going to kind of scan through this guy real quick. Let's actually try to find password, login. Good try. This looks like just a bunch of crap. We got a CSS page here. Let's go and check that out. Nothing in here. Just regular CSS stuff. Nothing in there, okay. So nothing in that guy. Still looking though. Probably should have did more threads, huh? Start to try manually enumerate. Try like a robots.txt and crap like that. We can do throw a nicto scan at it. Let's go ahead and try to throw a nicto scan. Nicto. Might have to actually do a cool on that. All those different phrases that he's throwing out there. 162.48. Throw a nicto scan on him, see if we get anything back with that. Should have definitely done more threads over here. That was stupid of me not to do that, not to do too many threads. That was stupid, but we'll let them go for now. See if we can get anything here in a minute. Just can't wait for this crap to be done, huh? First, I feel like the username's gonna be Joker. You know, I feel like that, like right there. I feel like the username's definitely gonna be Joker or something like that. I don't even know what are we even looking for here. We have enumerate services on target machine. We did that. What version of Apache is it? Well, we got 2.4.29. Talking about that one. What port of this machine not need to be authenticated by user and password? 80. There's a file on this port that seems to be a secret. What is it? I don't know yet. There's an image. It's probably just the Joker's face there. What is it? /secret? It's always /secret, isn't it? Got a few images in here. Okay. It's going to be steganography watch. We have to go through every single one of these images one by one. Just see if anything has anything different in there. Enumerate the images. Still looking at images, right? Okay. Cool. Nothing yet. Trying our best. You guys need to try harder. Why so serious? I know that one. Joker says that. He says, why so serious? And that was around the same time that Spider-Man used his katanas, right? Because he can't die. It's around that same time. And Deadpool shot those webs, capturing up his victims. And then Gandalf gave Harry a wand. Pretty sure that's what happened in the last Robin movie. Just lost like 100 followers, like right there. Have you heard of the healing power of laughter? Well, that one's, it goes from 18 to 100. I probably should have noticed that in the first place, huh? And this was also a JPEG image. Everything else is .png. Didn't say anything about steganography, though. Says you try to keep away from those ones. But that one's also JPEG, and the other ones are PNG. So that could tell us something. I don't know what yet, but it could probably tell us something. Still is waiting on this guy. Waiting for that guy to go. We can't do anything with 8080. I guess we could try to brute force him, but I would think the username would be Joker, but we still don't even have a username, so I'm not going to brute force with both username and password. I at least want one or the other. Nicto's also not getting anything for us on port 80. I don't think it's going to do anything on 8080 because we need login credentials for it. So we could try it, but I don't think it's really going to do much. Requires authentication. Yep, please enter the password. Okay. Nothing up here that's saying like go to this site or go to that site. Hopefully pick the correct word list. You know how much of a pain that can be sometimes. Image, CSS, HTTP password, server status. We can always start to figure out if it's using let's go ahead and do like an index.html and index.php. See what's actually using here. Okay. Okay, so it looks like it's using .html, not HTTP or PHP. Still not getting anything at all. So still is looking. I feel like we should have got more by now. So here, let's go ahead and look at what we're supposed to try to find here. They had a bunch of stuff. There's a file on this port that seems to be secret. What is it? There's a file. Someone walking around outside. What you doing out there? I'm pretty sure we're on the right port because we put in that Apache and it said, yeah, you're good. Maybe we need to put some arguments at the end of it. If it's a file, I'm going to go with like text, zip. I don't think PHP. I mean, I guess we could always go with PHP. But it's definitely index.html. So I'm going to go like text, zip, PHP. That's what we'll do. We'll do something like that. And put some arguments on the end. Because right now we're not seeing any other directories coming through here. So maybe we should try to put some arguments on the end of it. And we'll turn up the threads. See if we get anything better with some more threads there. So let's go ahead and do a tech-x. And we'll put some different files on there. Text, zip, PHP, XML. I don't know. You never know. Might be Windows. I don't know. Oh, I forgot to do tac-t, for threads. Tac-t, we'll do 200. We'll stop this over here so we don't break the machine. Okay, we're starting to get, at least we know that the .text is working. Did you check robot? I did check for robots.txt. Yes, sir. And also we do an mmap scan. Robots will actually show up in mmap scan also. It does look for a couple things. As long as you have tac-sv on, it does look for a couple things. Or at least it will, just a couple of the ones that are pretty, are usually there. Seems like tac-t 200 might be a little bit too much for this guy. So I'm wondering if maybe we should slow him down because we might be missing stuff here. There might be stuff inside that thing that I can't see. Alright, we got CSS. Okay, we're getting somewhere again. We'll let him go. Oh, God. It's too much for him. It's just too much. Oh, God. Oh, I had something up there. What was that? Oh, that was image again. Thought we found something. Got excited. Alright, come on now. Don't fail. You can do it. No. So it does that. Oh. Anything up here? Not seeing anything, no. Oh god, this is failing a lot. We might have to do this again with like tac-t 100 or something like that. This is failing way too much. Secret.txt. Hey, oh, I thought it was gonna be like secret some crap. See? You do enough of these, you start to know what the file extensions are. Secret.txt. Is that what it's talking about also over here? Probably broke the web page. Secret.txt. There's another file which reveals information on the back end. What is it? I thought it was an HTML search. That's probably going to be PHP something, huh? We put way too much crap into that, didn't we? Tac-t 100. And we found secret.txt. So let's just go ahead and use common.txt now. So we're not waiting forever. This guy actually pull up secret.txt. Okay. Batman hits Joker. Joker, bat you may rock. Bat you may be a rock, but you won't break me. Okay. I will break you with this rock. You made a mistake now. Man, the dialogue is just amazing, isn't it? And there's nothing else in here. Okay. Cool beans. There's our secret.txt. PHP info.php. That might give us something. Okay, cool. / PHP info.php. Some filters here. RWWHTML, PHP info.php. This is the version number, right? It's all the hashes. Whoa. I feel like that hash is just the version number, like right there. Additional vitamins. Jeez Louise, there's a lot of stuff in here. Okay. This isn't really giving us much because that's just the versions, all this hash and everything like that. I guess it is time to try and we'll do it the what is it? The OSCP way, okay? Where you're not allowed to use Zap because you're not allowed to use tools that come installed on operating systems that are built and made to be able to do stuff faster, like SQL map and Zap and everything like that. But let's go ahead. We'll load up burp speed. I digress. I just feel like if you need to make a test harder, so what you do is you just don't allow people to use tools. It's kind of dumb to me. I don't know. I guess back in the day, you won't always have a calculator in your pocket. Well, I got the fucking internet in my pocket now, you know, like. But yeah, I don't know. I've always been a big person for what is it, for open book and open notes and use what you have. I've always been really big with that. Let's do AA. I'm thinking we gotta make a Joker or something like that. Why am I not intercepting this? Didn't see anything with AA there on it. Joker, admin. I'm not seeing Joker and admin coming through over here. Yes, but how is it supplying the credentials? Okay, we don't get any cookies in the very beginning of it. Let's see if we had that. Like, why isn't it intercepting the credentials here? Might be using Zap. Let's go ahead and type in Zap. Let's try it on port 8080. Let's see what we get there. Might be using Zap. Automated scan. Yeah, sure. Update all. Why not? Can I select all? What's the IP address here? Okay, let's go ahead and turn burp off. Let's go ahead and get Zap up and running. We'll attack. I know you received that. That's what I want you to actually receive. Is that exact thing? Are we gonna have to use freaking Hydra for this? Because you know that's gonna be a pain. Hydra's gonna be a huge pain. We all know that. What can we use? Let's go ahead and use. I got an idea. Because Hydra is a huge pain whenever you're putting it into the command line for something like this. But Hydra was nice enough to come up with something else. X Hydra. Alright, so single target, yep. Okay, let's go ahead and just do it like this then. If it wants to do it like that, let's go ahead and do that. That, okay. Then we'll do port 8080. Whoa. Let's see, protocol. HTTP it should be HTTP post, right? I would think. Or is it going to be HTTP get? Let's try HTTP get first. HTTP get. Passwords. We think it's going to be Joker. Password list. We're going to throw desktop. Or actually, back to Cali. User. I want to actually go back to home. Home. More than that. User. Share. Word list. Rocky.txt. Okay. I think that should be it. See what happens here. See if it tells me I'm an idiot or not. Oh. Okay. We did it. It was Hannah is the password. Yay, we did it. That was easy. So X-Hydro, I think at least found the password for us. Let's try it. Joker and Hannah, we believe is the password. Don't save. And let's go ahead and also see if he reused those credentials too. Let's do a nano user pass.txt, Joker, Hannah. Let's go into SSH in as Joker at 1010. See if I can find an IP address anywhere over here. 10.10.162.48. And we'll go ahead and try Hannah. Okay, so we did not reuse credentials. Good job, Joker. Okay, getting started. What is the content management system? What is a content? Why did we? This is what it is. Joomla. Well, I think we use Joomla then, right? If we got Joomla running, then I feel like we could probably use Joomla, which I believe I have. Joomscan, I have that. And I also have something called Joomla, B-L-A-H, don't I? I got Joomscan. Should have some other things in here too. Let's go ahead and just go to Joomscan first then. Where is that? I don't think it was like right there. I'm pretty sure I downloaded it. CD to user share. Joomscan. Joomscan.perl. I don't think I've ever downloaded that one. What do I do here? Target. Okay. Can I put in like cookies or? Yep, I can put set a cookie. Okay. Or can I just do like username and password? No, but we can set a cookie though. So let's go ahead and do Joomscan. The target, right, which was TACU. HTTP 10.10.162.48 port 8080 cookie. I don't know how it wants it. It says string. I don't know if it needs to know like Joker and Hannah, right? Okay. I don't know if it needs like the name of the cookie also. HP always set to true though. That's good. Let's try like that. Target is not alive. Ah, but it is. 10.10.162.48 is alive. I wonder if it's something to do with the cookie. I wonder how cookie needs to be put into there. Okay. It's very strange. Or if you need like the name and then like the value afterwards, or how that actually works with that cookie, you know. So now we got to figure out what to do within Joomla. Well, I mean, first off, we need to get into Joomla also. Let's go ahead and grab this guy. And let's do something like this. dir-b can do username and password, right? I'm pretty sure. dir-b, no, dir-buster, I believe can do it. dir-b's the GUI version of that, right? Or is it dir-b that can? One of these two can do username and password. I know that much. Let's try dir-b. Okay, username dir-b. Attack you. The username was Joker. Password was not that. Password was Hannah. Forgot how they spelled it though. Oh. Joker. Cat user path.text. Let's see here. Password was Hannah, right? So there's the username and password. And we're trying to go after, let's see here, this guy. And that's going to be in case if it's a positional argument, I don't know. And we need a word list, obviously. Okay, so we just throw the word list behind it. So just user share word list dir-b big.text. We'll try common.text again, make it a little bit smaller with that username and password. All right, let's go. Thank you very much, dir-b. Let's see what we get here. I wonder if I should do like .text and all that crap again. Text, zip, PHP, XML, all that good crap. But we'll find out here in a second now, won't we? Always try like attack administrator or attack admin. Attack administrator. Oh, administrator got somewhere. Okay. All right. Now we have the Joomla at least. Admin. Joker Hannah. H-A-N-N-A-H, right? H-A-N-N-A-H. Yep. Let me go ahead and just copy that, just in case. Joker Hannah. Okay, nothing in there yet. Let's go ahead and try and head over to robots.txt and see if there's anything in there. Okay, we do. Administrator, bin, cache, CLI components includes installation, language, layouts, libraries, logs, modules, plugins, and temp. So can we actually get to like temp /temp? Nothing in there. /bin. No. /CLI? It says /CLI. No. I don't think a lot of this is going anywhere except for administrator. You try libraries and plugins. Nothing in there. Okay. So it doesn't look like there's anything inside those guys. Let's try cache just to make sure there's no backup or anything like that. If I spelled it right. I feel like there was something in that one. It just wasn't showing up. So there's our /administrator. We found that. Cool. I guess we're just going to wait for this guy. Probably does dir-b have a time? I think I stopped moving the thing after I already started. Does this thing have a threads on it? Like a tac threads or anything like that? Oh, dirtbuster. Can we do a username and password with this? We can. Joker, H-A-N-N-A-H. Okay. Target, it's going to be this guy right here. Browse, we want to do user, share, word list, word list, and we're just going to use common.txt, right? Dirbuster or Derby, we're just using common.txt, right? Common.txt, go faster, be recursive, file extends, go with PHP, text, zip, XML, that should be good enough. Back, let's try that. Found that cache in there, so. Alright, it's finding stuff. I mean, nothing of note, but it's finding stuff. What's that? Oh, yep, we already found /cache, /bin, we found all these. /backup, and that got us code 200 in a very large size. What is /backup? That looks like it's going to be something. Joker, Hannah. It's trying. Same type of login. Maybe because it's going to 8080, so that's why it's asking us for that. We're also killing this thing probably with all those searches going on like right now. We're rocking this thing like right now. This guy's dying. Backup.zip. So it just download that for me. It just said, hey, I'm just going to download this. Kind of scary on a hacking website. Let's go ahead and copy, downloads, backup.zip to myself, unzip, backup.zip, Joomla, database SQL password, I don't know it, aircrack, I forgot how to use aircrack, zip. Aircrack is freaking fast. I know that much. I remember that. I remember it being super freaking fast. We're going to brute force, right? And let's see here. Aircrack should get done in only a few seconds here. Password.txt sample.zip. Let's go ahead and try aircrack. Tac D, tac P, user share wordless rocky.txt, and we're going to do it for just that file, right? So, backup.zip. I believe it's tac capital D. Well, that's going to be a dictionary attack. I want a possible password found, Hannah. Really? Okay, so Hannah was the password. So let's go and CD into DB, the database there. And let's go ahead and cat the Joomla creds here. See if we can find a password in here. I never really worked with. The only thing I've really done with Joomla is Joomla. So I never really actually need to grab passwords or anything like that with it. That's a lot of crap in here, huh? Or if we like grep. That's kind of a pain in the ass, huh? It's probably one of the worst ideas I ever had was try grep password. Now we need to try to find a password in there. Oh, there should. I feel like there should be a password in there, right? Hey, thanks a lot for the follow, Stark. Oh, you subscribed. Thank you for subscribing, Stark. That's freaking awesome. Thanks a lot. Thank you very much. Anything, which I haven't made anything, but anything that comes from the channel is going to go straight back to all you guys with like giveaway stuff like that. I haven't made anything for the channel or anything like that, but I think I'm getting pretty close to it. Okay, where can we find in the Joomla database, where is the password within Joomla database.sql? File. Where's the password database stored? Code. Insert into val no blah blah your email. Or if there's a super administrator on there, because we can look up super administrator, then we should be able to find everything else, right? Let's go ahead and cat that. Grep super. Oh, that's the worst idea I've ever had. Thanks a lot, Stark. Thank you very much. Well, it's about to not become great content because we're going to have to read this thing. So might as well just start reading. Lock tables, right? CC. Super duper user admin. Is that a password? Is this a hash for admin? Do we have something? Maybe I could have just grepped admin. Let's go! We don't have to read that much. Cool. Let's see if we can just grep admin. Yeah, we could have. Huh. Maybe I should have used my brain next time, huh? Let's freaking go. Alright, so we have admin. Let's drop that nano hash.text. Let's go and throw that in there. And what's John hash.text? Word list 4. Let's try that like right there, see if we can crack it. I wonder if it's, what is super duper user? Admin. Oh, ABCD1234. Of course it is. And what else would it be? All right. So admin ABCD1234, and that's going to be within the administrator panel here. And then we can get into Joomla. And once we get into Joomla, like I said, I've only ever done Joomla. So I never really hacked Joomla. Joomla reverse shell. I've obviously done it before. Alright, so we have admin and ABCD1234. Joomla reverse shell. Is this literally on? Okay, I thought it was going to be on. I thought it was a walkthrough on what we're doing. Oh yeah, I have done this. I remember Beast 3. I was going to call it something else. You guys probably figured out what I was going to call it. I'm a child. But yeah, I have done this. Okay, so we're in as admin. And then from here, we can go to, is it extensions? I thought it was like templates, some of that. Okay, exit out of there. Where am I? Not there. Exit out of there. Exit out of the bunch page. Where's my password? Exit out of there. So he went into extensions, but I don't think we have extensions like that. I don't think we're, okay, extensions, templates, styles, right? It's kind of like, we're going to be doing the same exact concept as WordPress. It's just obviously going to be in a different area because we're not in WordPress. I think we can mess with Beast 3. Actually, this one's already up and running. Protostar is already up and running. So let's go ahead and mess with Protostar. We see that because of the star like right here. Because I do remember doing this now with Beast 3. And I remember when I very first did it, I couldn't get anything back. And then I realized that it wasn't even running really Beast 3. But Protostar is. So we know what Protostar is running, right? And either one of those two are going to be running. So from here, we then do templates, okay? We go ahead and go back. Oh, whoops. Nope, forward. I want to go back, and I want to go to templates. Now we should get some pretty pictures here. We know that this guy's running, right? Protostar. Click on him. Okay. Where'd you go? There we go. Select one of the files. I guess we could just select index.php, huh? We're obviously going to need a, let's go ahead and locate shell.php. Should have a bunch of them actually. Pentest monkey, copy over to here, move PHP reverse shell to shell.php, nano shell.php. Let's go ahead and go 10, 13, 26, 184. My mom just texted me. Hey, doing excited, getting closer to 187. Did you remember today's Matt's birthday? I love to miss you. Whoops, no, I didn't. Yeah, I mean, I remember it was my brother's birthday, but you know. 10, 13, 26, 184. I'm in Japan, so 26.1013.26.184. We can do it for port 4444. That should be fine. And we want to pretty much upload that shell.php into everything. So let's go ahead and copy this whole thing. All the way up. And we're going to throw this into the, we can throw it into index.php. Now, if we were trying to be like slick, we throw it into error or something like that, you know, and then try to create an error or whatever else. Like a 404 error. We're not trying to be slick here. Save that. Now, I think we should just be able to go really back to the index page, right? So we did that. Yep. We did not activate our netcat listener yet. Netcat LVMP 4444. Okay. And we need to actually go to the page. And they never show what page to actually go to. That's the problem. They always do that. But they never show like, hey, then go here. Let's see here. So we went to... Okay, we're good. Administrator. So can we just go to administrator/index.php? Since we're not slick at all. No. I feel like we have to go to administrator. It's not going to be extensions. It's going to be like templates. Index.php administrator/templates/ what would be next? That's forbidden. Thank you very much. I think we got to keep looking at stuff. I don't know what page to actually go to. Now swap to go to the index.php. Viewport, and just like that has been shown on the image. Yep, now activate netcat and get a session for the following. So they're actually... Oh, he's grabbing malicious code or whatever else. Let's go ahead and look up another way. Reverse shell on ACMS. Joomla Offensive Security cheat sheet. Reverse shell installation testing. So we should have to go to the URL now. I just don't know where that URL is, the one that we have to go to. Because if you've ever done WordPress or anything like that, you know it's a weird URL that you have to go to. And after doing this WordPress so much, you just kind of get used to that one. Which I still have to look it up every once in a while. Because if I haven't done it in a while, I forget. Oh, that's to install Joomla. Okay. This is literally just copy and paste to the other site. Good, that's what I'd see. How are we going to... Because we should be able to get a callback. Oh, man, I've done this before with Beast 3 too. That's the worst part. Let's see here. Extensions, templates. Index.php. Can we do a template preview? Let's go! Okay. We're getting somewhere. Who am I? Right, okay, we're www data. Okay, cool. CD or cat Etsy password. See what we got here. Joker, okay. He can log in and root can log. Root's got bin bash on here. Let's go ahead and get a full shell also. Whoops. Go ahead and cat scripts full shell. Which Python like real quick? We're using Python 3. Alright, let's go ahead and grab Python 3. Alright, cool. Let's go ahead and once we get Python 3, then we do Control Z, STTY, tag A. Okay, put it back in the foreground. Hit enter twice. Export term equals X term. Okay. Where are rows? 18 and 116. STTY rows is going to be 18. Columns going to be 116. Okay, now we have a full shell. So now we should be scared of getting kicked out or anything like that. CD in the home. CD in the Joker. Let's see if we can do anything in here. Huh. CD in a var www. Figured we would have had a flag in there. Bash history. Cat.bash history. So we got ourselves a little Alpine image in here, huh? Okay. Looks like we got ourselves a little Alpine image. Going I'm supposed to be answering questions though, aren't I? There's another file which reveals information back end. What is it? php info.php. I get too excited with these boxes. When reading the secret file, we find a conversation that seems to contain at least 2 users. What user do you think it is? Probably Joker. 8080. At this point, we have 1 user and a URL that needs to be authenticated. Brute force was password, HANIH. Yay, we got the password. Administrator, is that what it's talking about? We need access to administrator. We found a backup.zip file. We have the backup file, but the backup file seems to be encrypted. What is the password? Hannah. So, is Joker and Hannah, is that like a thing? That's not a thing. Right, I forget what the other chick's name is. That doctor. Is it Hannah? The doctor's name or whatever? The one that's insane also? Remember that we need access to administrator of the site. In our new discovery, we find some files that have compromising information. Maybe a database. Okay, what do we do? What if we do a restoration of the database? Some tables must have something like user table was super duper user. We didn't really do a restoration of it. We kind of freaking just threw shit at the wall and see if it would stick. And it did. But I forgot what it was. Just kind of catted it out and just were like, yeah, this should work. This is easy. Was it a super duper user admin? Is that what it's talking about? What is the password? Oh crap. ABCD1234. Oh. Admin. At this point you should be upload a reverse shell and organic. What is the owner of this? Probably www data. It usually belongs to a group that differs on your own group. What is this group? I don't know. Oh, you talking about the LXD, the 115? You talking about the number? Yeah. Yeah, we did that. Yeah, we definitely found LXD. So, yep, we are using LXD to escalate our privileges also. So, good thing we got that bash history, because we see that he's doing a lot of crap in here with LXD, right? And he imported Alpine version. We're probably going to need these versions and things like that too. So let me go ahead and start actually making like a little thing. Nano LXD stuff dot text. So we have that version like right there. We have some launch thing here. I don't know if that's a password or not. I don't think it is for LXD, but we'll try it. We have the mounting path. Recursive equals true. So that means once you get in on it, you should be able to go wherever you want. Using ignite with bin bash. Okay. So security privilege true. I think we also need that. I know what that means something. Security privilege, I know what that means something too. Okay, what's this? Did any one of you issue to the THM VPN yesterday too? I had 2 VPNs up by accident yesterday. So that was a little bit of an issue. But no, I didn't really have many issues. A couple boxes were moving a little bit slower than usual. But I don't think I had any issues. Now, if you're talking about this thing just going insane over here, yes, I get that all the time. You couldn't log in at all, huh? No, I don't know. That's weird. Did you re-download your VPN? All right. How long have you been going for? We've been going for just under an hour. You guys know I like to take my hour-long breaks or my every hour break. All right, so we need to mount. We need to get our privileges to root now utilizing LXD. So let's do a LXD privilege escalation. Hacking articles, LXD privilege escalation. I have done this before. Yep. I mean, that's not our exact group, but yep. Privilege escalation. Okay. We're already in there, right? So that's to be for on the attacker machine. Download Alpine in your local machine through the Git repository. I think we already have that. I think we already have an Alpine machine on here also. So I thought we had an Alpine machine on here. Oh. If I spell it right, we probably do. So I've definitely done this before with Alpine stuff. So let's go ahead and cd / home Cali Alpine. Is that what it is? Or is it LXD? Build Alpine? Yeah. Okay, cool. Doing the bigger path on try hack me, and I'm at the Linux privilege escalation part. Ooh, go down the boxes, regenerate all the VPN stuff from EU and download them again so they work. So I am in Okinawa, right? And I've tried to use the EU VPN before because they don't really have like a like an Asian VPN on there. It has never worked for me, the EU one. VPNs. I don't know if that's, it's always has like some like VPN like error with it also. I never put in much work to actually figure it out. I just downloaded one of the American ones again, like California, like West Coast or whatever. And I was doing like that. But yeah. Because if they had a freaking Asia one, man, this would probably move super fast. But yeah. Okay, so we downloaded the build Alpine using, yep, I have the build Alpine. I'm good with that. Okay, so we need to download the Alpine image inside a temp directory on the host machine. We already know it's privilege equal to, like, we already have it. We already downloaded it, right? Can we just, because it's already there. Because it's already there, right? So, can we just, like, follow the end of this thing? Like, can we just do from, like, here down? Let's go ahead and do an image list. We got a bunch of that stuff in the bash history, right? So let's go ahead and do this. Can we do this? My Alpine is what it's called. Okay. So if it's My Alpine, then we should just be able to do this like right here. We're just going to change it out to My Alpine. Right? Maybe I don't have to initialize it. Oh, because I did My Alpine, I did Ignite. But we're not using Ignite yet, are we? what did he call? What did he create whenever he did this? My question. There's image list. What else can we do? Can we list more stuff on here? Huh. Please do Joker? Huh. I wonder if I have to do every single thing on there. You know what I'm saying? I just felt like I wouldn't have to, because to me it would make sense. And honestly, that I don't have to because it's all already on there. So no, this isn't Docker. This is an Alpine image, like right here. I mean, I don't really look at it as Docker. I mean, you guys should kind of look at it as the same thing. LXD image. I wonder if I just have to go through and do this whole thing, actually. Let's go ahead and go through and do the whole thing. Maybe we might have to build another one, I guess. Is that what we're trying to do, like right here? So, I already have the build, okay? I already have all this, right? So, on the other hand, we will download the Alpine image inside temp directory on our host machine. So, where's their Alpine image at? How about that? See, he's got that, like, right there. He's got the Alpine image. That's what he did, like, right here. Was download that, right? After the image is built, it can be added as an image to LXD as follows. So we did that. What if we need to do an LXD image list? Okay, so we did that, right? He did that. He did an LXD image list. We just don't know. Well, I guess do we need to actually initiate it? Or can we just start it? Yeah, he does have init he has on here. I feel like we need to actually find, where did he download this to? Where is he CDing into / uh-oh. Okay, so there's no image on here like right now. So he went into, according to his history, home equals var www. Okay, so home equals there, which I think that we were already here whenever we did this, isn't it? Didn't we get an image list before? I thought we did at least. Where's the LXC list? Uh-oh. Did I break it? I think I might have broken it. LXC image list. Uh-oh. I think I broke it. Let's go ahead and do another LXC image list, and we'll try to do my Alpine. We'll try to throw that in there again. Initiate my Alpine. Can I just do that? I feel like I didn't do any of that. I feel like I just needed to do like this at the very end here, and then that's it. Crap. Might have to actually restart this guy. I think I might have just broken him. Damn. Damn. Whoopsie daisy. We might have to do that whole thing over again, I'm wondering now. If we have to actually do that whole thing over again. So let's go ahead and cut that bash history again. We're pretty much going to start up from the top. Obviously, that's not going to work. So let's go ahead and HTTP. We actually need our actual image over here, huh? Which we have 2204. We're way ahead of the times here. I don't know why I even tried to even do that. wget HTTP 10.13.26.184 slash this guy right here. Image lies. They typed in image list, so I wonder if you just spelled it wrong. Yep, you just spelled it wrong. Okay, we have no image. Okay, and we're going to import LXC import, and then it's going to be our Alpine image that we just gave to him. LXC import the Alpine image that we just gave to him, which is Alpine whatever. Good. That's what I see like right there. LXC image import. Okay, we imported image. Don't you need the port also for wget? So I always put it on port 80, so that's why I don't need the port. It's already going through HTTP. So usually if you just type in just Python 3 tech mhp.server, it'll automatically go to port 8000. I always put in port 80, just so I don't have to type in the port. So it's already going through HTTP. Obviously sometimes though port 80 can be taken, right? Okay, so we have that now for our gun zip over here. Okay, so now we are going to go ahead and we are going to let's see. Okay, image list. Let's go ahead and list the image now. We have that. All right, cool. Next up is we have to initiate it, right? But we don't have an alias for it yet. We got to create an alias first, right? It's my alias. We got to do that somewhere. Where do we create the alias at? LXC launch. Then he put in the fingerprint for it. LXC launch. Okay, Maximum Macaw. Is that our alias now? Okay, no. Let's see. I always have the other weird ports. Yeah, most people do. Most people put it on different port than port 80. Maximum Macaw. That's what we got. Okay. Of course, we got some weird ass name in there, so that's golden, like right there. Looks like he then did a. I wonder if his was also named Maximum Macaw, though. As ours Does his together mastiff and ours is maximum macaw? Is that what's telling us to look right here? Okay. We're getting somewhere. We are doing something. I'm just going to go ahead and cat that bash history again so I'll keep scrolling up past all this stuff. So we are right here. Now we need to initiate ignite. That should say ignite, not ignite, I believe. So what was our... I said I didn't want to scroll all the way up again, but I have to. Okay, let's go ahead and do a... So we're going to go ahead and we're going to do a LXC initiate for our hash thing there. Ignite taxi. So it looks like you just installed it wrong, I think. And I forgot to actually do this like right here. So let's go ahead and get rid of that. We need macaw on ours. Let's go press up, up. Okay. Now we can go ahead and do the LXC, INIT. Hope that doesn't mess it up. And then we need our, what was it, footprint or whatever it's called, right? Fingerprint? Footprint, yeah, that's what it was. Fingerprint, like right there. Okay. Just want to throw that in there. Okay. Ruling walleye. There we go. Maybe that's a username. Oh, no. That's not. That's Max Macaw's not a username. It's just a random name that LXC's given it to it. Once we do all this, then we do a bin bash, we should technically be root. Okay, LXC list. Let's go and try that. Ruling walleye is not running like right now. Oh no. So now we need to LXC config device ignite. It's not going to be my dev. It's going to be ruling walleye. I believe. I believe it is. What? Ruling walleye is not there. Error not found. Is it maximum macaw? Do I need that to work? That's the next question. Is it maximal macaw? LXC config device add ignite. I figured it would be ruling walleye. I guess not. Okay, for some reason not any of them. Maybe it's my device. Just add it, or maybe just do this. Should just follow exactly what he has, huh? Should just follow exactly what this dude did, huh? I don't know how he gets those cool aliases. Oh, we put an alias at the end of it. So let's just try to import it again. Let's try to import another one and we'll just call it my image. So he gets some cool aliases on him. LXC image import. That's not how you spell import. Then he did tac alias my image. Oh, what's up? I don't know what's going on. Ruling walleye, I don't know what's going on. I know that already exists. How do I delete it then? Because last time I deleted it somehow. If we just start it? Can we start? We just execute it then? Because that's this one's ignite down here. This one is not ignite up here. That's why. So we need to get ignite to talk to the other one, but for some reason he's not able to start up because we're not able to. Okay, there we go. Let's go. Can we just do ruling walleye now? This works. Don't ask me how I did it. Let's go! Don't ask me how I did it, okay? I don't know. I have no idea. No, what we did was we accidentally deleted his database first off. So we do first off, okay? But we imported Alpine back over from us over here. Because I already have Alpine over here. You download on GitHub, right? There's another one that you have to use Alpine also. I forget which box it is. But we imported Alpine back over here. So that's what we did that wget for. Okay, then we kind of followed what the last guy did, but he made a few mistakes in here, so we don't exactly want to follow that. All right, more or less just want to follow the actual build process over here. So pretty much what we did was just pretty much rebuilt it. All right, so we did our wget. We then imported the image. I didn't even give it an alias. That's why we kept having to use the fingerprint of it. All right. From there, you get an image list, and it obviously tells you the fingerprint. That's what we were using the whole time. All right, because we never got that alias right. Even though ours ended up being some weird crap of macaw or some crap like that, right? Maximal macaw. All right, but we actually wanted to start up. I don't even remember what the hell even started up. Ruling walleye. Okay, so it's gonna give us something, right? So once we got that, then we initiated the footprint of it. Okay, and then with that. So instead of my image, we would put in the footprint like right there. Ignite, taxi. Now, I don't know. I'm not some freaking Alpine master. So all I know is that I believe Alpine and Ignite, they talk to each other. It's like the same type of service, but they both need running to be able to talk to each other. All right. I don't think we ever actually gave it the path of recursive, though, did we? We never did this project right here, so we may not actually be able to do anything. Because if we can't go to a recursive path, then we can't look anything up. We're stuck, like right here. Yeah. Okay. So we're stuck in there. We know we're root, but we're stuck in there. So pretty much what we got to do is we have to give it a recursive path here. But we're going to add ignite, and then I think we want to add, because our ignite one was crap. That's not going to work for me. I can't see crap. Okay, let's go ahead and do this. Our ignite one was the walleye dude there. Ruling walleye. So this will allow us to be able to go throughout directories and things like that with it. Hopefully that works. Okay, now let's just go ahead and run this again. That should work. Okay, we're kind of stuck here, huh? Okay, we just moved back a directory. I'm not really understanding where we're supposed to go to grab the root flag, though. Oh. .ash history, is that what you're talking about? No. What is the name of the file in the root directory? .ash history. What the hell are you talking about? What is the name of the file in the root directory? CD in the root. CD in the var. We're moving around this guy. What are you asking us here? It's not the nicest looking terminal, but we're definitely moving around him. Feel like a witch python? 3? Okay. Something weird going on there, huh? So we did all that. I wonder if we didn't start it. Did we just like, yeah, we started it. And then we ran it. Not bin bash. No, definitely bin sh. And we are in the root directory. There's nothing in here. So what is this thing? This is... Yeah, what is it talking about? Like, we're in the root directory now. And we can move around the file system so we know that this is working properly. We just... Okay, we're in somewhere strange. We are not in the proper place. I'm thinking we got to redo, mount the root of the OS file system on the container. This should give us access to the root directory. Create the container with the privilege true and mount the root file system on mount in order to gain access to root directory on the host machine. You know what? I got an idea. We might have to go into mount. Yeah, we gotta go into mount because this is what is mounted. So now we're in the real directory, like right here. That's why. Now I'm starting to remember. Final.txt. There we go. We gotta go into mount to be able to get into the actual file system. That's why I forgot about that. No, we gotta get into mount. Forgot about that part. Final.txt. All right, let's go. There we go. All right, cool. There's always a way. Where there's a will, there's a way. All right, awesome.